I'm actually here at Pinto Art Museum. I don't know if I should bring my bike outside. Sabi kasi nila wala daw parking dun sa loob. It's kind of weird, right? I guess I should bring my... So bakit nga ba ako nandito? Just need to have some landscape photo. Kasi I heard na this Pinto art is too Instagrammable. So, I just need to try. So, ayun nga. I'm walking back to my parking. Need to bring my bike. Kasi may parking naman daw pala dun. Alright, so andito na ako sa loob ng Pinto art. I'm taking photos. Sobrang init. Hinabad yung jacket ko. So, let's go. Andito pa lang ako sa may pinaka main entrance, guys. Kakapasok ko lang. Yeah. Wala akong makuhang magandang spot to take a picture. Wala rin kasi akong model. So, more on landscape lang gagawin natin. Let's go! Hindi ko siya malibot lahat kasi kada lingon ko magaganda yung spot. So, tama naman yung nandun sa mga posts. It's just that I just can't, finish all of this because I need to go to church. So, I'll try my best na may makuhanan pa na maganda. Let's go! Sayang wala yung mga friends ko this time. So, wala akong kasama. So, ano ba meron dito? Oh, it's a kind like a fine arts museum. Then, see that? Oh, too nice. We are the kids that your parents warned you about. Oh, you need to take a picture for that. Hold on. Hindi ko alam kung nasaan na ako. But let's try to enter. Oh. Creepy here. Nice. Look. Something like... So, what's in here? Kinda weird. To lovely Metles Paulo. Too nice. Yeah, I wanna take a cover na nagdala daw dito. Tingnan natin. Hindi ko pa nalilibot tong buong museum na to. So I think I need to return na lang. I need to go to church na. Sobrang daming Instagrammable na pwesto dito. Hindi ko na siya kaya tapusan. So, nagugutom na rin kasi ako. A Volkswagen old car. Take a look. This is my dream car before when I was a kid. Because it's something like a car from Mr. Bean. I don't really know where is the way out here. So, medyo naliligaw ako. Yeah, my experience here, since napaka-ikli lang ng oras ko, late na rin kasi ako dumating. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-cover, nakapag-shoot. So, medyo konti lang yung edit ko this time. But, my experience is too nice, too classic, too retro. So, sobrang bagay ito sa mga taong katulad ko na mahilig sa arts and sa classic vibe. It's more like parang ako na sa Maria Clara. Maria Clara vibe. Ayun lang. So, I found the way out. I'm gonna go out. Nauuhaw na ako. Hi everyone. So, I'm done with my church, with the gospel today. And may nahanap akong food trippings dito sa may Antipolo. More on seafood, more on parang ramen sila, but aesthetic. So, ito yun. So, yeah, dumating na yung pagkain ko, guys. Medyo magulo lang yung buhok kaya ako ganito ng ganito. So ito na siya. I wanna show you the food that I have here. Here you go. Dahil ito lang naman ako, ito na lang yung in-order ko. Sarap. I wanna introduce myself. My name is Najin. You can call me Ron or Nudge. Hindi rin ako magaling magsalita sa camera but I will try my best. I love ramen. I love taking photos. I love editing videos. Yun. So, yun lang. Ayun, kakain muna ako. Hirap pala magsalita habang makain. So, hi again. Order ako ng mga ihaw-ihaw. Kasi piling ko hindi sapat sa akin yung ganitong lasa lang. Alright, so nandito na yung in-order ko na ihaw. Isaw ng baboy, then tenga ng baboy. Lang yung in-order ko. Alright, so tapos na tayo. Mag-ayos na lang tayo. Then magbabayad. Magkano po? Kaya okay lang ikutan ko ng shoot to. Sige. Magkano po?
362.
Paano ga?
360.
360 to.
Anong page nyo?
362. Baguhan pa lang po ako eh.
Paano ko eh, syempre.
Sige.